Emily, and I'm a member of our GRD support team. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the straps on your Ascend. These straps can be purchased directly through us. First, we're going to start with the middle strap. We're going to unvelcro it and slip it out of either side. Next, we'll move on to the thigh loop. We'll unvelcro it and unsnap the strap, pulling it out from either side. Next, we'll release the clip on the tensioning unit and pull the strap out. We're going to be repeating the same process on the calf loop. Unvelcro, unsnap, and release the clip on the tensioning unit. Lastly, we'll pull the strap out. Take a look into your strap replacement package. This strap has no snaps and is the middle strap. Loop it through the two holes and secure it using the Velcro. Next, we'll move on to the thigh loop. This strap is the larger of the two straps that have a snap. Loop the snap side through and secure the snaps. Then, we'll loop it through the tensioning unit pull it through and secure the tensioning unit. Then secure the Velcro. Lastly, we'll move on to the cap loop. This is the smaller of the two with the buckle. Loop the snap through and secure it. Then loop it through the tensioning unit. And finish by securing the tensioning unit and securing the Velcro. You've successfully replaced the straps on your Ascend.